Well, a bar chart is drawn in the same way as a column chart, except that the values are displayed horizontally instead of in vertical columns. This chart is also used for comparison. Here, we select the desired area and then from the Insert tab in the Graphs section, in this section, we select the bar section. As you can see, there is a three-dimensional chart for both column charts and bar charts, which you can use according to your needs. Here we select one of these charts and you will see that the bar chart displays the data in this way. Well, guys, the next graph is a line graph. This chart is one of the types of charts that are used most of the time and is usually used to show a trend of data changes over a period of time. If you need chart changes over time, definitely consider using a line chart. To show the process of changes, we can also use an area chart that shows us the chart as a field area. Usually a line chart is used and an area chart is combined with a line chart to have a better effect. Well, my friends, be energetic till the end of the course. Now here we have a table that includes expenses in different months and years. In order to display these data graphically, we select the entire area and then from the Insert tab, Chart section, there are line charts in this section. You can also choose a normal line. And you can also choose lines with markers. Now we select a chart with markers. There is a point here, my friends. But before that, let me tell you that the points of the charts are very many and I will definitely tell you in the next parts. Here, I will only tell you the general introduction of the chart. Well, see in this section you can make these markers colored or white, which is really interesting. Just double click on these markers. And here you can choose the desired color from the Format tab in the Shape Fill section. And you can change the color of these lines in the Shape Outline section. Or you can double click on the markers when the Format Data window opens. Make the necessary adjustments and changes from these sections. And as you can see, there are all kinds of markers in this section and you can also change its size. Well, guys, I know that you are not tired. Now, for this area, we want to display its area graph. So, at first, we select the area again. And then from the Insert tab in the Line Graphs section, we select the area graph. We select this chart. The point here is that you can put transgender for these parts. For this, we click on these parts twice. In the Fill section, select the Solid Fill option and we choose the desired color. And in this part, we determine its transparency and clarity and we can increase or decrease it.